Another day, another chance to review English. Review 8 key tenses. In English, we use different verb tenses to show when an action happens, in the past, present, or future, and how it relates to other events. Let's review 8 important tenses with clear explanations, examples, and practice. 1. Simple present. For regular habits, routines, facts, and general truths. Examples. She eats breakfast every morning. The Earth orbits the sun. I work in a bank. Practice. Complete the sentences with the simple present form of the verb in parentheses. A. The sun rises in the east every morning. B. We usually go to school by bus. C. Dogs like to play outside. 2. Present continuous. For actions happening right now or around now. Temporary actions. Examples. They are playing soccer in the park. I am reading a new book these days. She is talking on the phone at the moment. Practice. Complete the sentences with the present continuous form of the verb in parentheses. A. She is dancing at the party right now. B. We are studying for our exams this week. C. The children are watching TV in the living room. 3. Present perfect. For actions completed at some unspecified time before now or that affect the present. Examples. I have visited Paris several times. They have just finished their homework. She has lost her keys. Practice. Complete the sentences with the present perfect form of the verb in parentheses. A. They have finished their homework already. B. He has seen that movie before. C. We have lived here since 2010. 4. Present perfect continuous. For actions that started in the past and are still continuing or were happening recently. Examples. He has been studying English for 2 hours. We have been waiting for the bus since 9 a.m. She has been working at the company all day. Practice. Complete the sentences with the present perfect continuous form of the verb in parentheses. A. He has been playing the guitar for 2 hours now. B. I have been waiting for you since early morning. C. They have been building the house for several months. 5. Simple past, for completed actions that happened at a specific time in the past. Examples: she baked a cake yesterday. I saw him last week. They traveled to Japan in 2019. Practice. Complete the sentences with the simple past form of the verb in parentheses. A. She baked a cake yesterday. B. We visited the museum last Saturday. C. He called me 2 days ago. 6. Past continuous, for actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past or when another action happened. Examples: they were swimming when it started raining. I was reading a book at 8 p.m. last night. She was cooking dinner while he was watching TV. Practice. Complete the sentences with the past continuous form of the verb in parentheses. A. They were swimming in the pool yesterday when it started raining. B. I was studying when you called me. C. He was driving home at 6 p.m. yesterday. 7. Past perfect, for actions that were completed before another past action or time. Examples: he had already left when I arrived. They had finished dinner before the guests came. I had never seen the ocean before my trip last year. Practice. Complete the sentences with the past perfect form of the verb in parentheses. A. He had left already when she arrived at the station. B. She had finished her homework before dinner. C. They had bought the tickets before the show started. 8. Simple future, for actions that will happen in the future. Examples: we will visit the museum tomorrow. She will call you later. They will arrive next week. Practice. Complete the sentences with the simple future form of the verb in parentheses. A. We will go to the beach next week. B. He will start his new job soon. C. I will help you with your homework. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.